Hey guys, so I have a new project here that I was working on. So on this project, it's called OneTabStand, and the goal is pretty straightforward. What this does, I will show you exactly first. Let's do a demo. So if we add to Chrome, and we can see that it's been added to Chrome, and let's just pin this one. So once we pin it, what it does is pretty straightforward. So let's say you have multiple tabs open with different things. Let's say you have one thing here, another thing here. Just take a copy of this one real quick. So let's say your main goal is to basically declutter your Chrome, and say you have multiple tabs open and etc. So let's say you want this tab to remain where it is. Chrome already has a built-in one uh, where it doesn't allow you to close all of the tabs at once. But uh, what the goal for this project is to basically stay on where you are and close every other tab. So what it will do once you come to the extension, if you click on close other tabs, you can see that it removed every other tab except for the ones that you were already in. This is pretty helpful if you're working on multiple different things and you just want to focus and get rid of all the other um, Chrome tabs that are open. So this is pretty straightforward, and it's open source. So you can come into uh, the code in my GitHub and you can get the code, play around with it if you like, and all of the information is there. You have the background, everything that this is required, it has. And there's no external APIs or anything. Everything is within Chrome's API. So we're not using anything that doesn't require permission. You can just download this and get started, or you can go into the Chrome Web Store. Put the link here. So if you go into the Chrome's Web Store, it will be here as well. Let me just go to the link here. All right, so this is the extension. You can come in here, search for OneTabStand, and I'll be the first one. And then it pretty much does what the name suggests. Like one tab will stay where it is. And the other thing that I want to show you is to set up a keyboard shortcut. So if you right click on the tab on the extension, you can go to Manage Extension, go to Keyboard Shortcuts, and here you can select your choice of keyboard shortcut. So for example, if I do Command Shift P, then you can see that that keyboard shortcut has been recognized. So now let's say I open up multiple tabs and I want to stay on this GitHub page and I want everything else to be closed. All I have to do is press Command Shift P and it will close every other tab. So this is a cool feature that will help a lot of people, that people that work with a lot of tabs, and it's very tedious to go through each one and close them. So I built this one to help basically minimize the workflows, and you'll have more to work with and basically give you a productive environment to work on. So this is the project. I hope you guys enjoy it, and let me know if you have any feedbacks or if you want to commit anything or give any suggestions on what I could build next. That would be appreciated, and it will help you as well. Have a good one.